Welcome to our channel. So any long video, how we can upload it with the proper thumbnail on Instagram account. So I'm selecting for one of the web series called our YouTube channel, Sri Laptop World. So they're uploading for YouTube short and long videos. But in Instagram, we can upload for long videos with short images. So how it is possible for long video uploading for short images? So that is called coming to the create option. What are the videos we have this long video? Just select by long video will be here. The video, what are the image you are creating here? Go to original size. Here, click option is called making a proper thumbnail 1080 into 1920 pixel. So this pixel you can select from this particular image. So why we can select in this option? Long video uploading short image, so Instagram properly image will be navigate by 1080 by 1080 or 1080 by 920 pixel. But any long video we can specialization, when people will click the video purpose, we can upload the customized image of thumbnail. We can select from here and upload by the in a particular option. Now click for next. After that, what are the content you have to upload it? The content will be selected from here and upload the content will be here. This already video is uploaded by Facebook. Same one you upload by the Instagram and click for share. What happening in long video, user can easily read that image on the thumbnail and people will be watch our video on Instagram account. What is the call is you can generating for business on your particular Instagram account. This method we can follow any upload long videos on Instagram account using the proper thumbnail 1080 by into 1920 pixel. So those we have to follow it and upload the each and every video Instagram account. Any question or any facing issues uploading thumbnail time, you can direct contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.